Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone, and today in this video I'm going to talk about will be. Will be is the future form, or let's say the future tense for the verb to be. Okay, verb to be has three forms in present, that is am, is and are, and it has two forms in past, that is was and were. And then when we talk about future, that is will be only. Okay, so I say I will be, you will be, she will be. Okay, that for all subjects we use the same verb. Okay, there is no other form of that. Yeah, in present we say she is, you are, I am, but we use will be for all in future. So I say she is 20, she will be 21, I will be 21, he will be 21, you will be 21, everyone will be. So that's very easy when we talk about future. But one thing happens, and that is, especially some of my students, one of my students makes this mistake and uses will be before other verbs. And she says, I will be dance, I will be go, I will be study. Oh no. When we want to talk about future, we add will to the verb, okay, not will be. Okay, so will be is be itself is a verb, and we use be to talk about our existence, to talk about our age, our job, marital status, nationality, religion, gender, or the place that we stand. Okay, I will be there, I will be here. Okay, we're talking about future, where we're going to be, where we're going to stand. Okay, or I will be 50, I will be, she will be 50. All these examples over here, I will be 50, I will be a pilot, when we're talking about one job. He will be married, marital status. Okay, or nationality or gender. It's 2016, gender might change. Okay, so we use will be to talk about one's being, one's existence in future. Okay, one's age in future, one's job in future. Okay, so we use will be for future wherever we use am, is, are in present. Okay, I am 20. Okay, so we can use will be for the same thing for age. 20 is your age. Okay, will be can be used to talk about your age in future. So we use will be wherever we use am, is, or are, or was, or were. Okay, one of the areas that we use am, is, are, was, and were is when we form a continuous sentence. Okay, for example, I am teaching. Instead of am, I can say will be. Okay, I am teaching, I just replace it by will be. I am teaching, I will be teaching. That makes sense. It means I'm talking about an action, I'm talking about future, an action that is going to take some time. It's not going to be like this. It's going to take some time. Okay, so if you make a sentence about future and you use will be and you're not sure about that, just stop there and change will be with am. See if it makes sense. For example, your sentence is I will be dance tonight. Then replace it by am. See if it makes sense. For example, I am dance tonight. I am dance. No, I can't be a verb, can I? Okay, so if this helps, just try this way and see if this am is in the right place. If not, then your will be is not in the right place. So you just need will. Okay, will takes your dance to future. Okay, not will be. So that be, which is am in present, is extra. Okay, so that was the key. It might be helpful for you. Now let's talk about will be a bit more. We use will be to talk about actions in future that are going to take some time. Like this. Will be ing. Will be ing. This time next week, that is future, we will be performing on stage. Okay? This time next week we will be performing on stage. I am thinking, I'm talking about something in future that is going to take some time. Or this one, I will be studying until 8 o'clock. So next week or until 8 o'clock is talking about future. Even without these in my sentence, I can understand that this is talking about future, and this is going to be taking some time because of be and ing. Okay, so we use will be before continuous verbs to talk about something in future that is taking some time. The other area that we use will be is when we make a kind of very polite, non-pressurized request. Okay, when I ask someone to accompany me, well, I do not want to force the person. I just politely ask if they are willing to do that or not. I can use this. Will you be coming to the exhibition with me? Okay, will you be coming with me? Will you be coming? I am leaving it to the person, and I'm not forcing. I'm not needy. I just say, will you be, or no. You can say yes or no. So if you want to just ask someone without pressure, without forcing them, or to be polite, you can use this. Will you be coming? Okay, this is also an area that we use will be. And the other area, as I mentioned, is when we talk about one's age, job, marital status, nationality, religion, gender in future. Okay, without verb ing, because be is going to be my main verb. My main verb is be, and this is my being or one's being in future, because will is here to show future in my sentence. I will be future. I'm talking about I will be 50. I'm talking about future. Okay, I will be a pilot. I'm talking about future. Okay, I'm talking about my being, my job, my age, my gender, my religion, my marital status in future, or someone else's age or job or other things in future. Okay, the other area that we use will be when is before adjectives. Okay, will be plus an adjective is actually a linking verb plus a complement. That is when the person and the adjective are the same. Okay, the person is not doing anything but is in a way. Okay, this is how she is, happy or sad or ready or hungry or tired or busy. This is the way she is, she looks or acts. Okay, so when I want to describe someone in a different way, instead of saying a happy girl, I can say she will be happy. I am talking about the person's, the way that she is. I'm describing the person in future. Okay, I know that if we go there, she will be happy. She's not happy at the moment, okay? I'm not talking about now, I am talking about future. So, to show that this is going to be the result, I use will be. We use am, is or was for present or past. She is happy, she was happy, she will be happy. So will be is the same thing as am or was for she when we talk about future. Okay, she will be happy, happy is she is happy. She will be sad, she will be ready, she will be hungry, she will be tired, she will be busy. Will be in this case acts like an equal sign. So where can we find will be? We can find will be before a verb that has ing, that shows something in future, taking some time. When we make a kind, polite request, that's the same formula, will be verb ing. Okay? When we talk about one's age and being, other things, just bear in mind this doesn't need a verb with ing, because the verb is be. Okay, be over here is the main verb, and will be before an adjective when we want to kind of describe someone in future. I hope this has been helpful, and now you know where to use will and where to use will be and not mix them, and you would remember all these things when you're going to use them. And if there is any other questions, let me know by commenting it under the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.